Day 2 of the count is now underway and everyone's keen to see what will happen next. Here's what to watch out for on Day 2. Firstly, will the government continue with their robust showing in the local elections? Fine Gael and Fianna Fáil are doing well so far, and party leaders will definitely be keeping a close eye on those numbers today. Secondly, the independent success. Will the independents continue their success on Day 2? It's now looking like we might have more than 200 independents sitting on the 949 council seats nationwide, but it doesn't quite look like the far right might be getting the bounce that we initially expected. Sinn Féin expectations. Although it's likely that the party will finish third overall on the party front in the local elections, it still doesn't seem likely that they'll reach their own expectations in this local election. Mary Lou MacDonald and others will certainly be watching those numbers closely today. You might be wondering when we're going to hear about the European elections. Although counting has begun in all 3 constituencies, we won't hear the results until 10 p.m. tonight. And although we're expecting the results at 10 p.m. tonight, Ireland South results may not even come in until Monday morning due to the sheer size of the constituency. The constituency of Ireland South stretches from Dingle to Bray. It has an electorate of 1.34 million, and Ralph Regal, our southern correspondent down in the Count Centre in Cork, has noted that the ballot papers weigh a massive 5 metric tonnes. And finally, all eyes will be on the European constituency of Ireland South today. There were no official tallies from the constituency yesterday, but we'll have a much better idea of the picture in Ireland South as the count begins today. You can follow all the latest election news and our live count centre on the Irish Independent website.